Welcome everyone. Good afternoon. So excited to be here at the University of Maine in the Ornamental Gardens. I know this wasn't exactly as you had imagined, but on my drive here I actually passed the country club, and it is a beautiful venue, but this feels far more fitting to me. It truly does. So thank you all for joining us in person, socially distanced, and also those of you who are on Zoom. Thank you for being here and for joining us on this gorgeous day. Couldn't have asked for better weather to bear witness of the commitment that Brian and Amber are about to make to one another, and really the lifelong commitment that they have already made. And yet here we are to witness this publicly in front of all friends and family. It is my honor and my privilege on this 22nd day of May 2020 to perform the marriage ceremony for a wonderful couple. I met Brian and Amber here at the University of Maine as an undergraduate student, and I was immediately in awe of their unique partnership. I believe that Amber and Brian have prepared their own vows. This is true? This is true. That they will share with you all in the presence of friends, family, and loved ones. Brian, at this time, I do invite you to share the vows that you have prepared for Amber.
Alright, now it's falling. Oh. We'll do a dance around here for it to leave us alone. It still got me.
It likes
do
your
the
hair.
chicken dance at a wedding, Brian.
Yeah. Alright, I think we're all set for now.
No.
Nope. It's one of those white jackets too, the bald-faced hornets.
As long as it's not a murder hornet, we will be.
Yeah. Hi folks, it's me. There's a bee chasing me.
Real life.
So, yeah. It's still at me.
Wait, that
Back again.
the wasp doesn't
Don't get yourself stung here.
sting the bride.
Now it's around Katie, so we're all set.
As an expression of your mutual desire and purpose of being joined in marriage, will you please join hands?
Oh, the other hand. I'm left-handed, folks.
Okay, so this is the I do part, just so you know what you're going to be saying in response, just so we're very clear.
Yeah.
Brian, do you take this woman to be your lawfully wedded wife, promising to love, honor, and cherish her, and in all respects be faithful to her so long as you both shall live?
I do.
And Amber, do you take this man to be your lawfully wedded husband, promising to love, honor, and cherish him, and in all respects be faithful to him so long as you both shall live?
I do.
Okay. The bride and groom will now exchange rings as a sign of their mutual trust and respect. By communicating vows and exchanging rings, you have made a lifelong commitment to one another as you had before and as you do today. And this is the very exciting part. By the virtue of the authority vested in me by the great state of Maine, it gives me great honor and pleasure to now pronounce you husband and wife. you may now kiss.
Yay!
And friends, family, loved ones, it now gives me great pleasure to introduce to you for the first time, as husband and wife, Dr. Hathaway and Dr. Toner.
Yeah!
You're now married!
Congrats!
All right, thank you so much everyone for coming here today. We are disappointed we weren't able to celebrate with you all in person, but it's really great to be able to celebrate with you on today. And we're going to turn things over now to my dad to do the welcoming thingy.
We are our own MCs.
Yes. All right, Dad, you can step right in the camera frame so you can talk to everyone.
And Brother Brian, have a long, happy, healthy life, and just cherish each other, and good luck.
Thank you. It's a great speech. Thank you.
All right, next up we have Katie, my maid of honor.
My first memory I have with Amber is when she decided that we were going to be rock stars. And she used an entire bottle of Desitin, the baby diaper rash stuff,
Yeah.
and put it in my hair to give me a mohawk. My mom was not too thrilled about that, and that's probably why our rock star career never launched. I can't think of a better person for Amber to spend the rest of her life with, so we're very excited for Brian to join our family today. So I want to give you guys congratulations. You found your perfect match with each other, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for you guys. And I'm so excited Brian's going to be my brother officially, even though I've considered you one for a long time, because I honestly can't remember life before you joined our family. So thank you for letting me be a part of your day, and let's celebrate you too.
Thank you.
Propose a toast.
Yes.
All right.
I propose a toast to Brian and Amber. May they have a long and happy life together.
Cheers.
Brian and Amber.
Chug it.
That match.
That's good. Diet A&W cream soda.
Yes.
We have cakes.
So we're cutting the cake symbolically.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers.
Or am I okay?
You're supposed to feed each
I'm supposed to feed you. There.
There we go.